welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. I did a Euphoria inspired makeup look. This look was worn by Maddy. The makeup artist who did this is named Kristen Coleman, so I'll link her Instagram down below. Her makeup is amazing. She's an amazing artist. This is so cute. I am so excited. I'm definitely gonna wear this for like EDC next year. I'm gonna be doing like a Euphoria makeup series. I'm so inspired by all of the makeup looks. They're so fun. They're different. So yeah. Oh, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications because I'll be uploading a lot of videos coming soon. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm so excited for this look. To start off, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. In the picture, she doesn't have her eyebrows done. I'm just gonna go in with my Gimme brow. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm gonna prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Too Faced
Today, Junior?
I forgot what this one's called. Too Faced Then and Now palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade GG. I'm just gonna focus it all over my lid. I'm using a Morphe M441 brush. This look seems like it's gonna be really easy to recreate. So now I'm gonna be dipping into, I know it's so janky, but I'm gonna go into the Renaissance palette. I'm gonna be mixing Vanadium Red and Love Letter. Going in with an angle brush. This is the E29. I also use this for my eyebrows, but I cleaned it off so we can do this. I'm just gonna go in with this shade and then just do like a wing eyeliner with the eyeshadow. Pretty simple. And I'm not too worried about down here because I'm gonna clean it up with a makeup wipe afterwards. It's kind of like a thick wing. With the makeup wipe remover, I'm just gonna clean up like so. And I have a clean wing. Back with the M441 brush, blend out here, and then do the same on the other side. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I can't really tell with the picture, but it kind of looks like it has like some shimmer on the lid. I went through all my palettes to kind of see what would look best. I have the Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm not sure if I should go in with the shade Scorpio or with the shade Aries. I might go in with the shade Scorpio. Even though I'm an Aries, it just matches a little bit better. I'm gonna using my Morphe Continuous setting spray. I'm gonna just kind of spray my brush. I'll go in with the shade Scorpio and just apply that into the like inner lid space, and then blend it out. Oh yeah, and the brush I'm using is the M124. And I'm just gonna go back and fix up my line. It looks like it got a little messed up. Moving on to the face, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade 290. Side note, I'm actually really excited that they're coming out with a hydrating foundation because, as you may know, my skin is very dry. This foundation is matte drying. Right now, it doesn't really matter because it's really hot. It's summer. So during the summer, using a matte foundation works best for me. Since winter is going to be coming up soon in the next few months, I think the hydrating foundation will work best with my skin. So I'm really excited to get that soon because this is my favorite foundation at the moment. I'm gonna be highlighting with the Tarte Shape Tape. Gotta hide these mom eye bags. Oh my gosh, guys, this month I've been sleeping probably like 3 hours a day, and it's not because my baby's a crybaby. I don't know why I'm having trouble sleeping. Honestly, my baby probably wakes up like once or twice during the night to feed. I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Bake and Set Translucent Powder. And I'll be setting with the E48 brush. So I'm just going to take some of the powder. I put it on the lid. Okay, so now for under the eyes. I'm going to be going in back to the... It's like, I'm going to be going into the Then and Now palette and using the Morphe E18 brush and taking that same color Gigi and just bringing it on the bottom line. Taking same angle brush and going in with the Renaissance palette, bringing down those two shades that we were using earlier. I think the Dollar Lash Club eyelashes in the style Kylie fit very perfect with the look that we're going for today because the eyelashes that she has in the picture are kind of wispy. And then before adding eyelashes, I'm just going to be going in with my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm just gonna go in with the Tarteist Pro Glow palette and then contour with the shade in here. Okay, so next I will be going in with the Milani Luminoso blush with the Morphe E4. I'll be just setting my face with the Continuous Setting Mist. I like to also go back with the Beauty Blender. For highlight, I will be using the Morphe M501 brush. And I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. This has been like my go-to lately. I'm gonna just pop some into the inner corner as well. This is the Morphe M321. So unfortunately, I don't have any gloss. I'm not like a gloss kind of guy. I just don't like how gloss looks on me. For lips, I'll be going in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the color Christmas Cookies. It's a really nice everyday type of lip. Now on to the fun part. I'm gonna be adding the rhinestones, just sticking them on with eyelash glue, and then I'll be using this little tweezers to apply them. I think this might be the most tedious part of this look because it's pretty easy to achieve. I think it's just gonna be having patience with the rhinestones. So this is what we have so far before we add the rhinestones. I'm so excited. I'm using the Kiss Lash Adhesive. The Kiss Lash Adhesive glue, and I'm just gonna dot right here. I just put a little bit right here. Ooh, yes, it looks so cute. Do you guys see how pretty this is? I am so happy I did this look. This is so much fun. Look how pretty.
Love it.
So now we're gonna add the ones on the eyebrows. We're gonna add 2 in the front. So 1 right here at the very tip of your eyebrow. And then another one like right about here. This is so fucking cute. This is giving me like a festival vibe. So this is the first eye. So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing just on this eye. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm so in love with how it turned out. This is absolutely so pretty, and it was actually a really easy look to do. I will be recording a lot more Euphoria inspired makeup looks, so stay tuned for that. Seeing all the makeup looks on the show, it just got me really inspired. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications to get alerted when I upload a video. You want to make sure you have those notifications turned on, girl. Comment down below what look you guys want to see next and what you think about this look. I'm so happy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!